Hey, this is Shannon from EcoPoxy. Today we're going to be pouring the tabletop for the table in our project room. I'm going to show a little bit of the process of mixing the UVPoxy, adding the colors and the pouring. So let's get started. So we think it's going to take 25 liters as the table is about 110 square feet. And that is how to make a UVPoxy tabletop. It ended up using about 35 liters. We had expected it to be 25, so it was actually quite a bit more. But in the end, it worked out perfectly anyways. For inquiries, you can contact me directly, email info@ecopoxy.com. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again real soon.